Excel is the reason I got into graduate school in the first place, and the reason that I thought that I even could.
Now a graduate assistant with Doherty Family College, John Santos is one of the many students in the past 10 years who have gone through the Excel Research Scholars Program.
Everyone in the program is going to be either from like a first-generation college student background, they're students of color, international students, and bringing all those different perspectives together I think is really important.
Summer cohorts live together on campus while individually engaging in full-time, hands-on research with faculty mentors. The whole program is done at a level of rigor that truly prepares students for graduate school.
Coming into college, I knew I wanted to go to graduate school, but I just didn't know how to get there. And I felt like I was just stuck, and I was like, I know the next step, but I can't see the path. And Excel offered that path.
Students like Abby Heller flourish as they transform into scholars who not only get into graduate school, but are so well prepared they are funded.
It's the question that we start the program off with. Why would anybody admit you, and why would they fund you? So they're working on building those portfolios.
More than 100 students have been trained in the program, with the majority of them going on to graduate school, helping build a network dedicated to the program.
Our scholars are reaching down and pulling up those who are here. That is a big thing that happens within this program.
I want to be a professor with a PhD doing autism research, but I had no idea how to get to that next step. And Excel gives you that path.